Good morning to all my dear Bhaiya Bahan. We are again in today's class waiting for the next chapter. Before starting the chapter, I would like to ask you some questions to come on topic. You must have heard the name of so many celebrities, so many heroes, so many champions. What do you think about these champions? Okay, we think that the champions must have done great work in their life. The man whose name is in the Guinness Book of Record, he must have done some great work in his life, some adventurous work in his life, some brave works in his life. In the same way, suppose a man kills 100 tigers in his life. Can you keep his name on the name of tiger? Very good. Can you say which lesson we are going to start today? Excellent, the Tiger King. Very good, very good. This chapter has been written by Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurti. He was born on 9 September 1899 and died on 5 December 1954. His pen name was Kalki. What is his pen name? Kalki. Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurti was a Tamil writer, journalist, poet, critic, and Indian independence activist. He penned 120 short stories, 10 novelettes. Novelettes means short form of novel. 5 novels, 3 historical romances, editorial and political writings, and hundreds of film and music reviews. It was about the author. Now, introduction to this lesson. What we are going to read in this lesson. In this lesson, you will see the story on the rich and powerful kings of the olden times. In order to prove the prophecies of the fortune teller wrong, the king of Pratibandhpuram mindlessly kills 99 tigers, but the 100th one, the cause of the king's death, escapes his bullet. Finally, the king is killed by an inanimate tiger made of wood. Hence, the prophecy turns to be true despite the king's efforts to prove it wrong. Means this story is about a king who killed 99 tigers in his life because there was a prophecy about him that this king will be killed by a tiger. Why he was killed by a tiger? We shall read the lesson and we shall get the idea about that. Now see the story. First paragraph. The Maharaja of Pratibandhpuram is the hero of this story. He may be identified as His Highness Jamedar General Khaledar Major Sata Vyagra Samhari Maharaja Dhiraj Vishwa Bhuvan Samrat Sar Jilani Jang Jang Bahadur MAD ACTC or CRCK, but this name is often shortened to the Tiger King. Here we are going to read about a Maharaja of Pratibandhpuram state. His name is too long as you see here. His name is Jamedar General Khiledar Major Sata Vyagra Samahari Maharaja Dhiraj Vishwa Bhuvan Samrat Sar Jilani Jang Jang Bahadur. His degree was MAD ACTC or CRCK, but his name was shortened to the Tiger King. It is very difficult for us to remember this long name. So here in this paragraph we see the writer introduces the main character of the story, the king of Pratibandhpuram. The king is a hero due to his bravery. He is given a list of titles to emphasize on his greatness. To sum up all the titles in one, the king is called the Tiger King. The reason for him being called so shall be revealed in the lesson ahead. Now see the second paragraph. I have come forward to tell you why he came to be known as Tiger King. I have no intention of pretending to advance only to end in a strategic withdrawal. Even the threat of a Stuka bomber will not throw me off track. The Stuka, if it likes, can beat a hasty retreat from my story. Here we are going to see, here I stands for the writer. Writer wants to tell us. What does he want to tell us? The writer tells us that he would let us know why the king was called the Tiger King. He further promises the reader that he will not go back on his promise, even if he is under the threat of an attack by a Stuka bomber aircraft. Instead, he says that the Stuka bomber aircraft can go back because he is not scared of it, and he will tell the reader why the king was called the Tiger King. Means here in this paragraph we see the writer promises us that he will tell the reality of Tiger King even the Stuka bomb drop at him. So writer is rigid here to present the story of Tiger King. He is ready even to face the threat of Stuka bomber, but he wants to tell us the bravery of the Tiger King. He wants to tell the proud nature of a rich man. Now write some difficult words here. Identified means recognized. Forward, ahead. Intention means desire. Pretending means behaving so as to make it appear that something is the case when in fact it is not. Means imaginary, you can say. Advance means go further. Strategic means planfully. Withdrawal means moving back. Threat, fear. Off track means away from the fixed path. Hasty means in a hurry. Retreat means withdrawal. Now see the next paragraph. Right at the start, it is imperative to disclose a matter of vital importance about the Tiger King. Everyone who reads of him will experience the natural desire to meet a man of his indomitable courage face to face. But there is no chance of its fulfillment. As Bharat said to Ram about Dasrath, the Tiger King has reached that final abode of all living creatures. In other words, the Tiger King is dead. In this paragraph, we see the writer says that before elaborating about the Tiger King, one important thing about him was that any person who read about the Tiger King would be very excited to meet a man of such undefeatable courage. But he says that there is no chance of meeting the Tiger King, as the Tiger King is already dead and he has reached heaven. I earlier told you, my dear, everybody wants to meet heroes, heroines, celebrities, brave persons, but it is quite difficult for a man to reach there. Here writer wants to say everybody wants to meet the Tiger King, but nobody can meet the Tiger King because he is dead now. Now he has reached heaven. And how he was killed? He was killed by the hand of tiger, not living tiger, but toy tiger. How he was killed, we shall read the story. Write down meanings. Write means exactly. Disclose means tell or open out. Matter means issue or thing. Vital means essential. Indomitable means brave and determined. Abode means living place. Extraordinary means uncommon. Now see the next paragraph. The manner of his death is a matter of extraordinary interest. It can be revealed only at the end of the tale. The most fantastic aspect of his demise was that as soon as he was born, astrologers had foretold that one day the Tiger King would actually have to die. Here demise means death. In this paragraph we see the manner in which the Tiger King died was very interesting. The writer could tell us about it only at the end of the story, but he adds that a very interesting fact about the Tiger King's death was that when the Tiger King was born, astrologers had predicted at that time that one day the Tiger King would die. This prediction is meaningless because, as a matter of fact, everyone has to die one day. So, here is contradiction. The astrologers told that this boy has to die a day. So, my dear, everybody has to die a day. What is new in it? See what happened after this paragraph. Write down meanings here. Revealed means made open. Tell means story. Fantastic. Here fantastic means wonderful. aspect means form, demise means death, astrologers means those who forecast about future, foretold means told before. See, the story is very interesting. Listen the story very carefully. The child will grow up to become the warrior of warriors, hero of heroes, champion of champions, but see, after but there is dot dot dot. They bit their lips and swallowed hard. When compelled to continue, the astrologers came out with it. This is a secret which should not be revealed at all, and yet we are forced to speak out. The child born under this star will one day have to meet its death. In this paragraph we see the writer gives an elaborate description of what the astrologers predicted at the time of the birth of the Tiger King. They said that the child would grow up to become a brave warrior, a hero, and a champion. But after that, they stopped and bit their lips in order to show their reluctance to speak. Means they didn't want to speak more about this child. When the astrologers were forced to continue, they said that what they would reveal just now was a secret. They said that the child, that is the Tiger King, was born under such a star. That means when he was born, the star which was up there in the sky was such that any person who was born at that time had to meet his death one day. Again, this prediction is meaningless, because as a fact, everyone has to meet his death one day. Here star means you can say grah, in which, under which star this boy was born, so that he was going to be killed by a tiger. It will be cleared later on. So secret should be secret. Now write down meanings. Swallowed means went down the throat. Compelled means forced. Came out with means made the secret open. Forced means compelled. Miracle means happening of an impossible thing. Now see in the next paragraph. At that very moment, a great miracle took place. An astonishing phrase emerged from the lips of the 10-day-old Jilani Jang Bahadur. O wise prophets! Everyone stood transfixed in stupefaction. They looked wildly at each other and blinked. O wise prophets! It was I who spoke. Here I stands for the Tiger King. See the story here. The 10-day-old boy Jilani Jang Bahadur could speak. This time there were no grounds for doubt. It was the infant born just 10 days ago who had enunciated the words so clearly. The chief astrologer took off his spectacles and gazed intently at the baby. All those who are born will one day have to die. We don't need your predictions to know that. There would be some sense in it if you could tell us the manner of death. The royal infant uttered these words in his little squeaky voice. In this paragraph, what we see? The 10-day-old boy was speaking. As the astrologers revealed their secret prediction, a miracle took place. The 10-day-old Tiger King, whose name was Jilani Jang Bahadur, spoke up. All the listeners were surprised to see a 10-day-old baby speak. The Tiger King called out to the wise astrologers, and the main astrologer removed his spectacles and looked intently at the little baby. The Tiger King said in its squeaky voice that all those who are born have to die one day, and he did not need their predictions to know this fact. He added that if they told him the manner of his death, that would make some sense to him. Means the Tiger King wanted the method of his death, the manner of his death. Everybody has to die. This is simple thing. What is new thing? What is the manner of anyone's death? वह आदमी कैसे मरेगा, किस तरीके से मरेगा, एक्सीडेंट से मरेगा कि नॉर्मल लाइफ में मरेगा कि और किसी कारण से मरेगा. दिस इज मैनर ऑफ डेथ. That 10-day boy wanted to know the manner of his death. Now write down meanings. Miracle, happening of an impossible thing. Astonishing means surprising. Emerged means came out. Prophets means those who convey the message of God to man, means fortune teller you can say. Transfixed means surprised. Stupefaction means amazement, surprising you can say. Wildly means excitedly. Blinked means opened and closed eyes quickly. Enunciated means pronounced. Took off means removed. Spectacles means glasses or lenses. Gazed means looked intently. Baby, here baby, an infant. Predictions means forecasts. Royal means related to the king. Uttered means spoke. Squeaky means in a short high sound. Now see the next paragraph. The chief astrologer placed his finger on his nose in wonder. A baby barely 10 days old opens its lips in speech. Not only that, it also raises intelligent questions. Incredible. Rather like the bulletins issued by the War Office than facts. The chief astrologer took his finger off his nose and fixed his eyes upon the little prince. The prince was born in the hour of the bull. The bull is a star. The bull and the tiger are enemies. Therefore, death comes from the tiger, he explained. Here we see, when he found that the child was speaking, the chief astrologer was amazed to see a 10-day-old boy speak and ask intelligent questions. It was unbelievable for him, just like the news which came from the wars. He took off his finger from his nose and looked carefully at the little prince. Then he added that as the Tiger King was born in the hour of the bull, which was an enemy of the tiger, hence the Tiger King would die due to a tiger. Now it is clear that why this Tiger King was going to be killed by a tiger. He was born under the star of bull, so that bulls and tigers are enemies. Now write down meaning here. Incredible means that can't be believed. bulletins means short news reports. Issued means came out. Took off means removed. Now see the next paragraph. You may think that Crown Prince Jangjang Bahadur was thrown into a quake when he heard the word tiger. That was exactly what did not happen. As soon as he heard it pronounced, the Crown Prince gave a deep growl. Terrifying words emerged from his lips. Let tigers beware. In this paragraph we see the writer says that the reader may feel that the Tiger King trembled upon hearing the name of a tiger. But actually that did not happen. On the other hand, as soon as the Crown Prince Jangjang Bahadur heard the name of a tiger, he made a deep growing sound and spoke terrifying words. He said that all the tigers should beware. Means the Tiger King said, let tigers beware of him. He didn't afraid from the tiger. He told the tiger that let tigers beware of him. All the tigers should beware of him. See the bravery of that boy from the childhood days. Now write down meaning. Quake means violent storm. Pronounced means uttered. Growl means make a low sound in the throat. Terrifying, that causes fear or terror. Beware means be careful. Account means description. See the next paragraph. This account is only a rumor rife in Pratibandhpuram, but with hindsight we may conclude it was based on some truth. Rumor we all know. Rumor means a thing talked about but may not be true. After this event, the writer says that this story is a rumor that was heard by him in Pratibandhpuram. But if we look at the happenings of the past, we could conclude that these rumors were based on true happenings. Now, write some difficult words. Rumor, a thing talked about but may not be true. Rife means spread widely. Hindsight means understanding that comes after the happening. Conclude means decide. Now there are some class works for you. Do some class work now. Write down questions. What was the name of Sir Jilani Jangjang Bahadur? The short name you can say. Very good, the Tiger King. What was the age of Tiger King when he spoke in squeaky voice? Yes, very good. He was 10 days old. Who foretold about the Tiger King that he would actually have to die? Yes, astrologers. What did the chief astrologer say about the Maharaja's death? Very good. The chief astrologer told that the Maharaja's death would come from a tiger. Very good, excellent. Now, this is homework time. You have to prepare homework from these taught paragraphs and from textbook exercises also. And whatever the link I have given to you, prepare homework from that. We shall start next paragraph on the next day. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.